Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is set number 4 of 6000 MCQ series. First question. The image of the Neptune taming the seahorse appears in Apt Vulgar, B. Prosperous, C. Andrea del Sarto, D. My Last Duchess. Answer is D. My Last Duchess. Second question. T.S. Eliot's The Wasteland is dedicated to second Miglior Fabro, which refers to A. Ezra Pound, B. Baudelaire, C. G.M. Hopkins, D. Dante. Answer is A. Ezra Pound. Next question. The local of Riders to the Sea is Dublin, B. Aran Island, C. Galway, D. Belfast. Answer is B. Aran Island. Next question. The Bach poems are associated with A. Ted Hughes, B. Elizabeth Jennings, C. Tony Harrison, D. Seamus Heaney. Answer is D. Seamus Heaney. Next, Edward Burns Bingo deals with the life of Dryden, Shakespeare, Ben Jonson, Marlowe. Answer B is correct. Shakespeare. Next question. Arthur Miller's The Death of a Salesman is mainly about A. American Dream, American Imperialism, American Pragmatism, American Transcendentalism. Answer A is correct. American Dream. Next question. The patient in Michael on the English patient is Almse, B. Caravaggio, C. Cripple Singh, D. Hannah. Answer is A. Almase. Next question. Mimetic criticism views literary work as personalization, depersonalization, imitation, interpretation. Answer C is correct. Imitation. Next question. The concept of arch writing is developed by Fish, Foucault, Derrida, Waldman. Answer C is correct. Derrida. Next question. A figure of speech in which two terms opposite in meaning are placed side by side in one phrase is known as paradox, oxymoron, sarcasm, antithesis. Answer B is correct. Oxymoron. Next question. The stanza of 8 iambic pentameters on the pattern of ABABABCC is known as rhyme rail, octavirima, Tennysonian stanza, Spencerian stanza. Answer B is correct. Octavirima. Next question. The title, The Sound and the Fury, is taken from Hamlet, Macbeth, The Tempest, King Lear. Answer B is correct. Macbeth. Next question. Piccola is a character in The Bluest Eye, Oliver Twist, Don Quixote, Beloved. Answer is correct. The Bluest Eye. Next question. Which of the following was associated with Bloomsbury Group? T.S. Eliot, W.B. Yeats, T. Hume, Virginia Woolf. D is correct. Virginia Woolf. Next question. Which of the following characters appear in Waiting for Godot? Jerry, Lucky, Jimmy Potter, Hum. Answer B is correct. Lucky. Next question. About whom did T.S. Eliot write? A thought to him was an experience. Herbert, Marvell, Donne, Crusoe. Answer C is correct. Donne. The last book of Gulliver Travels is Voyage to Hunains, Voyage to Laputa, Voyage to Brobdingnag, Voyage to Lilliput. Answer A is correct. Voyage to Hunains. Next question. Who edited the Tetler? Steele and John Locke, Addison and Dryden, Addison and Blackmore, Addison and Steele. Answer D is correct. Addison and Steele. Next question. John Locke's essay concerning human understanding is about nature of human behavior, nature of the human mind, nature of human society, nature of human ideology. Answer B is correct. Nature of the human mind. Next question. Restoration Committee marks the restoration of women's rights, democracy, monarchy, human rights. C is correct. Monarchy. Next question. Which of the following is not a plosive sound? P, G, S, B. C is correct. S. Next question. Kidd's use of the phrase because and his parts reminds us of the painter Titian, Rembrandt, Holbein, Leonardo da Vinci. Answer A is correct. Titian. Next question. Which novel among the following was not published in 1922? Aaron's Road, Ulysses, Jacob's Room, Brave New World. Answer D is correct. Brave New World. Next question. Golding's Lord of the Flies was written as a counterpoint to A Treasure Island, B. The Coral Island, C. The Henry Island. None of these. Answer B is correct. The Coral Island. Next question. Hopkins' White Beauty is influenced by the philosophy of Descartes, Duns Scotus, Erasmus, Plotinus. Answer B is correct. Duns Scotus. Which character's long, rambling, and disjointed monologue in Act 1 is a spectacular part of Beckett's Waiting for Godot? Lucky, Estragon, Vladimir, Poggio. B is correct. Estragon. Next question. Shelley uses Tarjarima in To a Skylark, Ode to the West Wind, The Cloud, Ode to Naples. Answer B is correct. Ode to the West Wind. Next question. Who was not part of the cooking school? John Wilson Kruger, John Keats, Leigh Hunt, William Hazlitt. Answer C is correct. Leigh Hunt. Next question. Which of the following novels of Charles Dickens remained unfinished at the time of his death? The Mystery of Edwin Drood, A Tale of Two Cities, Bleak House, Our Mutual Friend. Answer B is correct. A Tale of Two Cities. Next question. Which among the following was not a member of the Scribblers Club? Edison, Pope, Swift, John Gay. Answer is Pope. Next question. Oliver Twist is Dickens' first novel, second novel, third novel. None of these. It is the third novel of Oliver Twist. C is the correct answer. Which of the following novels is not written by Joseph Conrad? Under Western Eyes, Nostromo, Heart of Darkness, Lucky Jim. Answer D is correct. Lucky Jim. Spencer Fairy Queen was influenced to a great extent by Roman de la Rose, Aristos, Orlando Furioso, Horace Odes, Homer's Iliad. Answer is correct. Roman de la Rose. Who is the author of Human Bondage? Somerset Maugham, Aldous Huxley, Ford Madox Ford, William Faulkner. Answer is correct. Somerset Maugham. Which among the following works treats the subject of archery? The New Atlantis, Toxophilus, Ephus and His England, The Anatomy of Melancholy. Answer D is correct. The Anatomy of Melancholy. Next question. Epic theatre is associated with the works of Beckett, Bridge, Rabindranath Tagore, Utpal Datta. Answer B. Answer C is correct. R.N. Tagore. She was born in Hyderabad, wrote a play in Persian, and was advised by an English poet to write like an Indian. His name was Torudutt Sarojini Naidu, Kamala Das, Meena Alexander. Answer B is correct. Sarojini Naidu. The publication of which famous romantic work coincides with French Revolution? A. Lyrical Bloods, B. Poems in two volumes, Songs of Innocence, D. Political Sketches. Answer is correct. Lyrical Bloods. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.